I think lack of communication, which is down from hospitals to your local doctors to your auxiliary nurses. I think they all need to be working together as a team and to make sure that everybody knows what is going on, not just the consultants who actually do the operation. Because I feel when they've done their job, they've done their high level of skill by operating on you. And I feel that when it comes down to the under people, which got to do the aftercare is not always as good as the care that has been taken when you've had an operation.
Dwi'n ffodus o ddweud hefyd bod fy meddyg teulu nawr, bob tro dwi'n gweld yr arbenigwr, mae o'n cael copi o'r canlyniadau a'r profion gwaed ac dwi'n a fy hun yn cael bresennol gael hefyd. Felly mae yna fwy o draws doriad o help. Mae pawb yn gwybod beth sy'n digwydd, dwi'n meddwl, mwy rwan.